The Golden Retriever is one of the most popular, intelligent, and affectionate dog breeds in the world. They are widely known for their friendly nature and sunny disposition. Here is everything you need to know about them. Origin and history. Country of origin: Scotland, United Kingdom. History: they were bred during the mid-19th century by Lord Tweedmouth. The goal was to create the perfect hunting dog capable of retrieving waterfowl, like ducks, from both land and water without damaging the game. Where does the name come from? The word retriever comes from their ability to retrieve items undamaged because of what is called a soft mouth. They can carry a raw egg in their mouth without breaking it. Physical characteristics. Size and weight. Male, 23 to 24 inches tall, 65 to 75 pounds, 29 to 34 kilograms. Female, 21.5 to 22.5 inches tall, 55 to 65 pounds, 25 to 29 kilograms. Coat: they have a water-repellent double coat. Their color ranges from light cream and golden to a darker red-golden hue. Lifespan: they typically live between 10 to 12 years. Temperament and intelligence. Top-tier intelligence: the Golden Retriever ranks 4th among the most intelligent dog breeds in the world, right after the Border Collie, Poodle, and German Shepherd. They can learn a command in as few as 5 repetitions. Eager to please. They are incredibly eager to please their owners, making them highly trainable. Friendly: they love everyone. They are excellent with children, the elderly, strangers, and even other animals like cats. Because of this, they do not make good guard dogs. They are more likely to play with an intruder. Roles and jobs. Because of their intelligence and temperament, they are not just great pets, they are excellent working dogs. 1. Service and guide dogs. They frequently serve as guides for the blind or visually impaired. 2. Therapy dogs. They are often brought to hospitals and nursing homes to provide comfort and reduce stress for patients. 3. Search and rescue. SAR. Police and military forces utilize them to find missing persons due to their keen sense of smell. Health and maintenance challenges. If you are planning to raise a Golden Retriever, here is what you need to prepare for. Heavy shedding. They shed a lot, especially during spring and autumn. They require brushing almost every day. Exercise requirements. They are high-energy dogs. They need at least 1 hour of walking, running, or playing, like fetch, daily to keep them from getting bored and chewing on shoes or furniture. Love for water. Swimming is second nature to them. If they see a mud puddle or a swimming pool, expect them to jump right in. Health issues to watch out for. Hip dysplasia, a joint condition in the hips that can develop as they age. Cancer. Unfortunately, Golden Retrievers have a higher risk of developing cancer in their senior years compared to other breeds. Obesity. They love food. They gain weight easily, so their food intake must be strictly monitored. Fun facts. The first famous dog on Instagram to reach millions of followers was a Golden Retriever. They exhibit Velcro dog behavior. Wherever you go, they stick right by your side from the living room all the way to the bathroom. They retain a puppy brain and playful attitude until they are about 2 to 3 years old before their behavior fully matures. Brain and playful attitude until they are about 2 to 3 years old before their behavior fully matures.